Hi, I'm Greg with BTOD.com. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and the assembly of the Office Master OM5 series ergonomic chair. There's a couple things that I want to tell you about this chair and what to expect before we go into unboxing the chair. The first is how it arrives. This chair arrived to us via FedEx Ground. Now it is a heavy product, and so the box weighs about 57 pounds. If you're uncomfortable lifting that much weight, you may want to get some assistance. So when you're ready to assemble the chair, one thing you want to take note of is you'll see the assembly instructions are listed on the box itself. There's really three main components to the chair. You've got the bigger part of the chair, the back and the seat, the cylinder, and then the base with the casters pre-assembled. This is another part where you may want to get some assistance when you bring what they call the chair top out, because it is a heavier part of the chair. So we've got everything out of the box for the OM5 from Office Master. You'll see that the casters are pre-assembled to the base. So all we'll need to do first is take off the plastic cap on your cylinder, drop it into the 5-star base, and then we'll just need to set the actual seat and back onto this. It is fairly heavy, so I have some help. So that completes the unboxing and assembly of the Office Master OM5 chair. If you'd like more information, please feel free to read our full review at BTOD.com. Thanks for watching.